Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 42. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll discover a powerful AI tool or workflow that can dramatically increase your Nomad income.
Hook. Imagine this. One well-crafted prompt plus a lightweight template and a short automation sequence produces a polished, sellable 5-module microcourse with downloadable templates, a product page, and automated delivery in under 2 hours. For a nomad, that's a revenue engine you can carry in your laptop bag and scale from cafes, not coastlines. This changes everything for nomads.
Promise and roadmap. By the end of this episode, you will have a repeatable blueprint, the AI Micro Product Factory, and the exact deliverable you can ship in a weekend, a 5-module microcourse or a template pack, a conversion-ready product page, and an automation that delivers files and captures analytics. I'll share the stock, copy and paste prompts, step-by-step build commands, pricing experiments, and the one-page 30-minute launch checklist you can follow right now.
Section 1. The Stack Explained. Let's walk the stack from content to checkout. Use a strong LLM for ideation and copy. OpenAI or Anthropic are my go-tos for crisp outlines and conversion copy. For design, use Canva or Figma templates to quickly produce slide decks, PDFs, and lead magnets. For audio, Descript or 11 Labs gives you clean TTS for audio versions of your product. For checkout and delivery, Gumroad or Payhip handles payments and VAT automatically. For glue and automations, Zapier or Make connects triggers, like a purchase, to file generation and delivery. The stock is deliberately portable and low cost, so a nomad can run it from anywhere.
Here are exact copy-paste prompts to use right now. First, an ideation prompt you can run in your LLM. Generate 12 niche microproduct ideas for freelance UX writers that sell to bootstrap startups. For each idea, include a 1-sentence value proposition, 3 audience pain points, and a suggested price range. Run that, pick the top idea, then use this outline prompt. Create a 5-module microcourse outline for freelance UX writers focused on landing page conversions with 3 downloadable templates and a 2-email launch sequence. Each module should include a 200-word lesson, a checklist, and 1 worksheet. That gives you immediate structure to produce assets.
Section 2. Step-by-step build. Start with ideation, then generate the full course content, assets, and product page. Example workflow in concrete steps. 1. Ideation prompt in your LLM, the one I just read. 2. Use the outline prompt to get module content. 3. For slides and PDFs, paste module summaries into Canva and use a pre-made template. Use Figma export if you prefer code-friendly assets. 4. Generate audio narration with this TTS prompt. Read the Module 1 lesson in a friendly, clear tone, 5 to 6 minutes with short pauses between bullet points. 5. Create a product page using this conversion template prompt. Write a 300-word product description that opens with the customer problem, then the result they'll get. Include 3 bullet benefits, price, and a 30-day refund policy. Finish with a 1-sentence urgency line.
Automation recipe. Exact sequence you can implement in Zapier or Make. Trigger. New sale in Gumroad. Action 1. Call LLM to generate a personalized welcome note using buyer name and chosen product. Action 2. Generate PDF bundle from template with buyer-specific file name. Action 3. Upload files to a private cloud link, Dropbox S3. Action 4. Send delivery email with download link and a 2-email onboarding sequence spaced 2 days apart. For testing, run a sample purchase with a $1 discount code to verify every step. Here's the personalization prompt for the welcome email. Write a friendly 120-word welcome email for a buyer named first name who purchased product name. Mention 1 immediate step and link to the first module.
Curious. Section 3. Monetization mechanics and validation. Let's keep this practical. Price by value, not hours. For microproducts, start with 3 price tiers. $7 to $15 impulse templates, $29 to $79 deep microcourses, and $99 for premium bundles, with templates plus a short audit or personalized checklist. Run 2 quick experiments. 1. Publish at a mid-tier price and measure conversion. 2. Run a shorter discount window at a lower price to test elasticity. Track conversion rate and revenue per visitor. If conversion is low, test headline and price. The human plus AI advantage is that you can iterate quickly without rebuilding the whole product. Upsells and subscription hooks.
Offer a monthly micro product club, $9 a month, where members get one new template or swipe file each month. Or add a low-touch upsell at checkout, a 30-minute review and checklist for $49. Both create sticky, Visa-qualifying income without long retainers. Quick validation? Set a small paid ad test or an email blast to your list for a weekend launch and check purchase velocity in 48 hours. If you hit 4 sales in 48 hours at $29, you have a repeatable signal worth scaling.
Pitfalls and ethics. Short checklist. Common risks include quality drift when you scale too fast, copyright exposure from unvetted AI outputs, and poor customer experience from over-automation. Mitigations. 1. Quality gate. Every product must pass a 3-person review, author, editor, and a prototype user. 2. Copyright check. Run a source check prompt. List any phrases or passages in this content that closely resemble published sources and flag them. 3. Customer care. Automate only transactional steps. Keep a human support channel and promise a 24 to 48 hour SLA. These simple guardrails preserve reputation and keep your automation ethical and reliable.
Immediate action step, your 30-minute launch checklist. Step 0. Open your laptop and set a 30-minute timer. Step 1, 0 to 10 minutes, run the ideation prompt in your LLM and choose an idea. Step 2, 10 to 20 minutes, run the outline prompt and export module 1. Step 3, 20 to 30 minutes, paste module 1 into Canva, create a PDF using a template, and generate a welcome email with the personalizer prompt. Bonus, set up a Gumroad product with the PDF, price it, and draft one launch tweet or post. That's enough to test demand before you finish the rest. Start small, but think big.
Course call to action. If you want templates, prompts, Zapier recipes, and a hands-on walkthrough to complete your first product in a week, enroll in the Nomad Micro Product Factory course. It includes ready-made Canva files, Zapier's apps, and a conversion product page pack. Everything to ship fast. Let's make this actually work for you.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Quick parting thought. Start with one small, high-quality product and iterate using real customer feedback. The tools get you there, but your reputation keeps you there. See you in the next city and the next launch.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.